What's going on, everybody? So I'm going to go over some stuff that you use for winter sewing, or I use for winter sewing. You can use the same. I use duct tape. Got this duct tape at Lowe's for, I think it was like $8 to $9. Pretty big, so figured get this instead of getting a roll half the size for like $5. You could get whatever duct tape you want, whatever is in your budget. Milk jugs. I use, me and my wife and kids, we go through milk about every 2 to 3 days, so within that time I get a new jug, so that's good. I think milk is like $4, but you could also use milk jug or water jugs as well. Go to the back wall of your market area, your grocery store, at Target, Walmart. I believe it's only like $1, and you get the same thing. It's a good hard plastic to use. You'd use it for a season, maybe two, all depending on how the weather beats them up. I'm going to try to save these for next year, just clean them up and reuse them. And then I use this drill bit. You don't have to use a drill bit. You could use a pocket knife, a knife, scissors. Just be careful when you use it so you don't stab yourself, cut your finger, any of that crazy stuff. So what I do with these, I've made other videos with them, but just I drill a little hole, cut around until about here, maybe about 2 inches, and then I have a little hinge, so it's easier to duct tape. You don't have to, if you cut the whole thing off, you're not sitting there trying to hold it and tape it at the same time. It just folds back over and just go around. So that being said, let's jump into the video. What is going on, everybody? Hope all is well. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about winter sowing Eaton's Penstemon red seeds. So I'm going to winter sow these. All you need is some milk jugs, water jugs, soda bottles, and anything like a hard plastic. So what I use is a drill bit. I have a video of step-by-step of me doing this if you want to check that out. I'll put a link in this video, so if you want to go check that out, you can. So you just want to drill a hole or stab a hole here and then go all the way around to where you leave a little hinge. It's way easier when it comes time to taping them up. Some duct tape right here. This is my drill and my drill bit. It's DeWalt. I'm not sponsored by them. I just figure I make a little joke in there. And then here are some seeds that I already started winter sowing. Some columbine and some foxgloves. I figured I had another pack of foxgloves, so I wanted to try winter sowing them to see if there's if it's an easier way, if not an easier way to do. So I'll let you guys know how that turned out when spring comes. So get these out of the way. And these do need light to germinate, so don't bury them. Just put your potting mix in here, get it nice and moist, and then just sprinkle the seeds right on top and tape them up and put them outside, and you should be ready to go. So it's a pretty cheap way to grow some seeds, especially if they need to be winter sown or even cold stratification. But you could just get a paper towel and moisten it and put that in the refrigerator for a couple weeks, and 4 to 6 weeks, and you should be good with that. So that's all. I will see you guys in the next video.